Tering Gagal Namtandu, Ari Chozo, Me Chozo Surba, Jambu Nancy Pelosi Cho, Zebe, Ari Chozo to Mikaji, Pepjo Shudu. Ningyabdu, Ari Chozo to me nam, Pemi Majidil Hankanta, Pegitim Dinkan to Pepja Yodula, Sansho Sugar gave Potan to Consa Chola, Jaga Shugu Indu.
Tashi delay. Tashi delay.
So what is the purpose of your visit here?
No. On behalf of the delegation, I want to say greetings to the great people of Dharamshala. And we are very excited to see His Holiness tomorrow to talk about many things, including the bill we just passed out of Congress that basically says that the United States of America stands with the people of Tibet.
So will the President Biden sign this bill?
Yes, he will. He will. Now I'd like to turn it over to my ranking member to say a few words.
Casa delay. We're here, Democrats and Republicans together. The Congress is united together. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, would you say something?